We on Rockstar, and I was over here explaining on YouTube to Rockstar because I'm in a invite only about the lowercase I making the M and the circle. That's the after we did the I and Adam learned the Adam had to trek back, or Cain and Abel, so they had to learn shit. So they and Gobekli Tepe and Karakan Tepe. Yeah. You can see in Karakan Tepe is the I and the M is spelled out in the walkway. Yeah. Make a sign like a Mason, Illuminati, all them people. Omega Point, because I was trying to make one, so I'm finna show you right here. Make a sign, Mason. Make a sign.